Hi everyone, it's me Joe, and today I'm bringing you a brand new series of videos for my channel. Now, I've been really excited to be starting a brand new project with my YouTube, and even though I've been away, I've got a video coming just talking about a little bit. I probably look a little bit different as well because I've lost I've lost quite a lot of weight since I last did my videos, and also it was relating to my surgery series, which you guys will all find out soon. So that one's coming next. Also, I'm launching a new platform called Agitprop, which I've mentioned here and there, which is full of vegan recipes, it's full of wellness, it's full of my thoughts, things that I thought was interesting, my beauty icons, behind the scenes of my tutorials and all that kind of jazz. So that's coming this week, and I'll do a video just about that. So one of the things I wanted to do for this wellness series is focus in on new ingredients and new things in the market that I think are holistic. I've been involved in a lot of, I guess you could say, research in this recently because I wanted to find out all the different things that are coming out into the market now that some of the laws have become a little bit more lenient and so on. And I think it's very interesting that some of the stuff we've always considered a bit kind of out there and scary have now become a little bit more accepted, because I've always been more interested in kind of keeping yourself healthy than treating yourself when you're sick. I think that it's obviously some things you get sick with, but I think for me it's more interesting to find out ways of using natural plants and crystals maybe, and just investigating different things. Now, I really wanted to look into CBD, and I've really looked high and low for different brands, and I thought one of the brands that really stood out to me is actually Wellness. So Calm by Wellness is this brand here, which I'll show you. Now, this is actually a really interesting full spectrum hemp extract, and I did not know about CBD. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this off giving you what I know, and you need to tell me what you know in the comments, because on my new platform, I'm going to be doing a focus on it. So I want to find out all the information from you. Now, I don't know much about CBD. I'm a relatively new user. I've not used it for more than a year, so I can't give you the full long-term effects, if you will. But I think that it's a really fantastic thing for people that have chronic pain and chronic tiredness. So my interest was always that I had a very difficult situation with my back and my hips, and it's caused me not being able to sleep very well. And I think that this is one of the products that are out there on the market that doesn't sedate you, it just helps you. And one of the problems I've had is when I went to the doctor and I said I can't sleep, blah, 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 they wanted to recommend me sleeping pills. And all the research that says sleeping pills do not help you sleep, they just trick you into sedation. So you're not really getting what you need from sleep. And I've never done sleeping tablets for that reason. And until I started using this, it was a massive game changer. One of the things that I found out is that it's really great for muscle spasm. In recent years, my granddad was very sick before he passed away with Parkinson's, and it was something that we were really looking into helping because it's really great at controlling muscle spasms. I'm not really sure about the science behind this, apart from it comes from the cannabis plant. They take out the hallucinogenic stuff, so it's not the drug, and it's just basically a form of the goodness that comes with the plant, and it seems to have miraculous properties. It also seems to have antimicrobial, antibacterial, technical things to it, which I think is fantastic from my point of view, because anything you can swap from more of a chemical sort of skincare route to a natural route is really, really important to me. And also I noticed with this brand, they do a lot of products for the skin. Now, on top of that, there are different formats that you can get, from crystals and oils, obviously in this capacity, but also e-cigarettes, which you can actually use in your vape. And then again, more than that, there are things like edibles. Now, I want you guys to tell me how you use CBD, what form you take it, and let me know how it kind of works for you, because I've been doing this, which is basically it advises you to take half a dropper under your tongue every night and every morning, which I've been doing successfully. It's obviously it's low in calories, so anyone that's concerned about that, you don't need to worry about it, because that's something that I would be concerned about sometimes. But it seems to be just kicking me into sleep, and I've never had that before. And if anything can help me wind down with my crazy brain, that's a plus. I would like to know a little bit more about how you guys have experienced this with your mental health, because I don't really suffer from any drastic mental health problems necessarily. Touch wood, who knows what's going to happen tomorrow. My life could change, and that could change. But at the moment, that wouldn't be why I would use it. But from what I can understand, it's very great for depression. So if you guys would be able to write your stories, I would be able to reach out, maybe talk to you in the comments and share your experience, because that'd be something I'd be really interested in learning. And also, I want to know how people get on with chronic pain, because even though I've got issues with my back and my hips, And that's like a chiropractic thing, which I'm also doing at the same time as this, so it's really helpful. But if you guys have actually had chronic pain, you have a situation where you've been in constant agony and you've tried CBD, how do you take it? How does it work for you? With this brand, all I've kind of followed the directions, which are quite straightforward, but it's basically the best one I've used. So if you guys would like, I'd like to feature some people on my website, and you can maybe write to me and send me your stories, and I could translate that into maybe like a mini article. That'd be really helpful for me. And also, if you guys have any questions for me, please write them in the comments below too. All right, guys, I'll see you all in my next video. I'm going to be talking about crystals next, and just doing a different kind of thing for me, something that makes me happy, not necessarily to be majorly viewed, but just to investigate things I love. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Check out Calm by Wellness, and I'll talk to you soon.